Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise that I have collected in the last 16 years of my life by being a professional model, professional swimmer, expert all over the globe in 5 different countries, and I have found the golden key to reach the physical shape, the sexiness of your body confidence, and how to include the element of satisfaction from food, but still nurture your body, and how to heal the mental space of you and your mental well-being. This is what I offer in my transformation program. This is what I have delivered to myself and to my clients, and this is what I want for you, for every of you to have it. So if you're interested and curious to know more about it, you have an opportunity to have a free consultation call with me, one-on-one, when I would break down your current situation and navigate you, help you how to get out of it, what is the obstacles on your way out, and how to shape not only your body shape, but the direction, the path in your life to be where you want to be, not to just daydream about this situation and about this perfect day, about the perfect sunny, beautiful moment in your life, but about how to have it every single day and how to make it happen. So do not wait any further, send me a DM and I will take from there. In today's video, we won't discuss such a subject about shame. I want to share with you my perspective on the point where women shaming themselves. When you shame yourself, when you sabotage yourself, when you criticize yourself, when you bad talk yourself. So again and again, I wanted to recall that there is 80,000 thoughts in a day by every human being. Most of them, they are negative. Even if you are investing your time in your mental health, in your mental well-being, in your development, still there's a lot of this percentage into negative thoughts. So when you talk badly about yourself, when you compare your body, your physical shape, your looks, your physical appeal, your attraction, your looks, your wardrobe to other women, you do not do anything good for yourself. First of all, you drop crucially your self-esteem, your self-worth, you drop your self-belief, and you compare yourself to someone else, because you are, my darling, you are unique, and those other women, she's also unique. You are just two different fruits, let's say, two different beautiful fruits, unique by itself. You cannot compare. The grape cannot become a peach. It's unique, it's beautiful, and it's perfect as it is. You need to find this acceptance. And here I do not want to change the misconception about body positivity and being acceptable about whatever I am, being acceptable with the fact that you are as you are today. But if you do not like some points just because you don't like, not because someone told you, your friends, your colleague, someone bad talk about you, someone send you a message, maybe your partner say you something, maybe some of your exes tell you something, does not shape what is important for you in your body. Is it inner side? Is it it's outside, your looks? You need to decide for yourself what is important for you, what is your value in your body. You need a strong health, you need a looks, you need a long legs, you need a slim legs, you need an amazing booty. What do you need? What is important for you in your life as an heir on a daily basis? And invest in this part, do something about it. Because just comparing yourself to someone else on social media does not serve you anything. You just waste your time by looking at the screen and comparing. Do something. Buy a new PT program with a personal trainer, with a coach, with an expert who know what he or she doing, how to deliver the results. Try something new. If you was going to the gym here and there twice, 3 times a week, change to new program, change to yoga, change to Pilates, change to the body stretching, find something new for yourself, because also when you put yourself at the stage that you're learning new skill, even such a class for your physical shaping, you would be in the more alive state, and it would be escalating and elevating your mental well-being, which would benefit your overall progress in a weight loss, in a nutrition, in the glowing of yourself. Because when you believe in yourself, when you see the results that you're learning and you improving the results, even it's yoga, even if it's your breath, even if it's your abs exercise, even if you're preparing for the running a marathon, when you see a progress, you get your chest more open. You have this inner pride of yourself, not because someone compliment you, but just because you have done something about it. You improve, you develop the skills, and you get this, yes baby, I did it, I'm proud of myself. And you cannot fake this, you cannot just buy this from something, or by comparing yourself to someone else. When you do something like really tangible and you see the results, you would improve not only on a physical level, but also on your mental well-being, overall your emotional state, and it would support your journey. So do something about it. Get yourself a class, get yourself a yoga, get yourself a new gym membership, something new that would change your direction, perspective. Start to wake up earlier, go to bed earlier, invest in a mental health, invest to meditate, to grow yourself in the spirituality, in the universe science, etc., that would help you to unleash your stamina and get you at the moment when you are serene, when you get connected to the nature, when you connected to yourself and to your own source. And then dieting, exercising, do something for yourself, it's become just a nature of yours. You do not need to push yourself or put some pressure on yourself because you need to lose 5 kilo in these 2 weeks, or you have a deadline. No, you would be doing this effortlessly because you know that you serve yourself at the best. You see the results, you see the progress, you feel your chest open more and more, you see that you become more, not kind of stronger like a Wonder Woman or something, but you feel the strength in your body. You feel that you stay more stronger on both of your feet, that your quality of your skin, your hair is getting better. And why would you stop this? Why would you neglect? Why wouldn't you want to do something about it and improve more and more and get more and more out of it? And then you do not have time to badmouth yourself. You do not have time to compare yourself to others. You do not have time to waste because you have so much things to do. There is so much things to learn about oneself, for you to learn about yourself. So you do not have time to waste on someone else, on gossip, on comparison, on shaming, on criticize. Because you see something you do not like, do something about it, and then you get so busy, so not just busy without productivity or just for a point to be busy, but you would be getting busy with the joy and pleasure that you're doing something for yourself, for the most important human in this world, for yourself. And then your self-esteem, your self-worth, your boundaries, your high value system would be boosted naturally. And it's not by the book because it's written 1 to 3, it's because you get to the key, that you open up your source and you get to the point what is important for you, how does it important for you, and you do not allow ego trip to happen. Because when you compare yourself to others, it's just your ego conquering that here I am, I'm comparing you to this lady, and Jessica have a better dress, and Jessica have a better shoes, and she get new bag, and you, my darling, haven't done anything about it. So when you invest in yourself, and when you train not only your physical body, but also your emotional body, when you improve yourself, such as things like new dress and new shoes would not bother yourself. You would be genuinely happy for this person. Even if it's your friend or not friend, you would be genuinely happy for her, you would be generally happy for yourself, because you do something for yourself, and no matter, not any importance what others doing for themselves. You need just to focus on yourself. There is so much within you to unleash. If you think right now that you know yourself, no matter what is your age, sorry to collapse your vision, but you do not know yourself, because there is as much as life is keep going, there is as much time to learn more and more about yourself. So if you're curious to know more about this, about how to develop, how to improve, how to find this key and open up the source of being confident in your body, in your skin, to not bother yourself and waste your time on comparing with others, either it's men for either it's other women for females, either it's other men for men's, you need just to focus on yourself. If you want to hear more about it, if you want to get to know about this transformation and how to reach to this point of life, feel free to send me a message. Feel free to book a free consultation call, which is I'm absolutely happy to offer, and we take from there. I will guide you from the free consultation call. I will break down for you the strategy, how does it work, and then it's your choice if you want to go with me and get your transformation program, or you want to just fix it by yourself with no matter how much time it would take for you. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope you find some important points for you to think about it. And do not forget to put like, subscribe to the channel, share with your girlfriends, because not only that you need to improve and keep it as a secret from your girlfriends, you need to elevate and share with others, because when you elevate and you share others, if they want to improve and if they're willing to hear you, then you change the world. Not only one person, but you change your life and you change the life of others. Let's conquer this mission together. So again, this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.